welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today I'm really excited because we are making the best healthy pancakes. I've made a lot of pancake recipes over the years and this one is definitely my favorite. They're light, they're fluffy, plus they're gluten-free, dairy-free, grain-free, but they taste super delicious. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So let's just go ahead and make these delicious pancakes. So this is everything you are going to need to make the pancakes. It's just 7 simple ingredients. I'm starting off by mixing together some almond milk with some apple cider vinegar. And basically this cultures it and gives it that buttermilk flavor without having to use buttermilk. Then I'm folding together our flours, which is a mix of almond flour, tapioca flour with our baking powder until all of that is nice and combined and even. And I really find that the blend of the almond flour and the tapioca flour works really well here. Then I'm going to be mixing my eggs together. So I'm using 2 large eggs and we're going to whisk that together with a little bit of vanilla. And I find that by whisking the eggs and the vanilla together first, it allows it to blend easier with our dry ingredients. It also gives the milk and apple cider vinegar a chance to culture. So add in your eggs and vanilla to your dry along with your almond milk and apple cider vinegar mixture. And I really suggest using the apple cider vinegar in the milk because it really helps not only the flavor, but it also helps them puff up and get really nice and fluffy. So mix the batter together until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix it. So just until everything is combined together. I'm heating a pan to medium heat and I'm using about a 1/4 scoop to scoop it into the center, and we're going to cook it until the edges are set, about 3 minutes, and then flip it and cook it for another 30 seconds. Now ovens will vary, or rather your stove will vary, so it all depends, but guys, look at that fluff factor. They get so nice and fluffy. I love to top mine with a little bit of vanilla ghee. It tastes so good. You can also add fruit here or fruit into them while they're cooking as well. So I'm adding some fresh blueberries. And of course, because I'm Canadian, we are going to be adding some maple syrup, but you can keep them completely plain. One thing I do love with maple syrup though is getting the nice real stuff. You don't want to get like the corn syrup one. You want to get the one that's just pure maple syrup. So you can drizzle a little bit of that on the top and you have these wonderfully delicious fluffy pancakes, and they're also freezer friendly as well. I mean guys, look at how fluffy they are. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you make these pancakes, tag me on Instagram and show me so that I can live through you because they're so fluffy and delicious. I know that you're gonna love them. If you want more healthy breakfast ideas, I will leave my playlist right here. I have tons and tons of ideas in there, more pancake recipes and other fun, delicious, healthy breakfasts. So check this out after you watch this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.